Welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you, is it really possible to know who viewed my Facebook profile or not. So for this, first of all, you just have to open the Facebook application in your mobile. Then simply tap on the profile picture in the top right corner. Now tap on your profile to see your profile. Now tap on these three dots and you just have to tap on this turn on professional mode. Tap on this turn on, and now as you can see, our professional mode is turned on. So now if we go back, you will see different options here. Now you can see this option, see dashboard. Just tap on it, and here you just have to scroll down and tap on this professional mode guide. Then simply scroll down again and tap on insights. Now tap on view insights. Tap on this see details. Now here we can only know how many pupils visited our Facebook profile, but we can't know who visited our profile exactly. So there are lots of videos that tell we can know who visited our profile, but it's not possible to know who's visited your profile. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.